Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you love elephants, you are in the right place. Now if you like little DIY painting jobs, you're also in the right place. So I bought these two elephants at the Dollar Tree. At first I started out with this one because I wanted an elephant for my aunt, and I decided to see how it would look. It was just a test. But then after I finished it, I fell in love with it. And I love it. So now I want to keep this one. So I went back to the Dollar Tree and this was all that was left. One more. So I brought it home, but I also went to two other Dollar Trees hunting for them, and now I don't find them. So these were the only two that I was able to get. I'm still on the hunt for more because I'm liking this now. So I want to finish this one up with some little gloss finish from Crafter Square, and this one is already done. So I also have this here. You see, the black I think would go great on this one, but I can't do this until it dries up from the glossy finish. So I'm gonna do that now, and you're going to watch. Okay. So I am all ready to use this. Okay, so it's Crafter Square multi-use gloss finish. Okay, so I'm going to grab it by the trunk here so that I can cover everything, and then at the end I'll do the trunk. So let's start here. It just looks so nice once it's all like, you know, finished like this with the glass. Ah, beautiful. I'm starting to love this little hobby now. And I have some wax paper there so it won't stick. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm debating right now which one will I keep for myself. I hope I find more, because like that I'll have choices. But I am definitely going to give her one. You know what I'm saying? Unless maybe I take a picture of these and I let her choose. You know, once I find more, I can always duplicate the other one, the one that I fell in love with. Okay, so I've covered the bottom and the leg area. I've covered that. The body here, I want to make sure that I cover it completely so it looks finished. Okay, so I covered all that area. Now this front area here. Neck area and all of that. And now I'm going to do, well, I'm going to do the head, all this area here, the ears. I really like these, but I don't like just, you know, any of them, like any animals, because I went to the Dollar Tree when I was searching for another one, and there were other animals, but I wanted the elephant. I don't know. And I think, you know, this comes from a little collection that I have. My mother used to have elephants. You know, I have them now. May she rest in peace. And I recently organized them and displayed them in my laundry room area. I did make a video on that. And ever since, you know, I see them there and I say, wow, they are just so beautiful. I don't know how I haven't gotten into collecting elephants myself. You know, most of the ones that I have are hers. And you know what? Maybe I can show you at the end of this video. I'll show you where I have them. Most of them were hers. I probably had maybe a few before, but I wasn't into really collecting them. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm done with this. Look at this. Very nice. I like the way these came out. Okay, so this is done. So now in order for me to add this piece like the other one, I have to wait for that to finish. So I'll just wait maybe a day just to be on the safe side, because I don't want this to peel off if this is wet, if the elephant is wet. So I'm going to show you my laundry room. You might have seen it before, maybe you didn't. So one of these strips is going around this one here. So let's take you over to my laundry room, which is right here. Oops, oh my God, look, I didn't realize I had a bra hanging there. Alrighty, so you know what? Let me turn on the light first. Oh, and my hubby has a little mess there, but let me show you the part where the elephants are. Okay, so you see that frame? That belonged to my mom. May she rest in peace. And you know, I had it somewhere else, and I had all the elephants in different places, but I decided to organize my laundry room area. I never put towels or none of that on there, on that rack. So I made it just for the elephants. So let me show you from here. This one, I think this one was mine already. This one I gave her. It opens up too. You could put jewelry inside. This one, I think I gave her that one too. That one up there was a gift to me. Somebody gave it to me as a gift. It's supposed to be good luck, you know, if you believe in that stuff. And then this one was, I think, my mother's also. This one was from Toys, plastic. So that one was mine already. And this one was mine. The ones in the back up there, they're all linked by that rope. Those I gave to my mother. The little marble ones I bought at a yard sale. There's a whole bunch of those, from large to small. Then these here I bought probably at a yard sale. I think it was like $2 for all of these. You could put a little tea candle there. And then this one was hers. This one was hers. I love this one. And this one was mine. This one is chipped somewhere. But I'm not going to throw it out just because it's chipped, you know, as long as nobody touches it and gets cut with it. So yeah, so now this has become my collection of elephants. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.